In today's Health Watch, fitness is a good thing, right? But as any weekend warrior will tell you, there can be too much of a good thing.
A local mom's passion for fitness had debilitating results, but Connie Fellman shows us how Aurora BayCare got her back in the gym.
Next to her little boy, a Green Bay mom has another great passion: extreme fitness competitions. But when the high-intensity sports started taking a toll on her body, Aurora BayCare Medical Center got her back in the gym pain-free. This is Samantha Carter's idea of a good time.
I've been doing CrossFit for probably about 8 years. Very high-intensity sport. There's going to be a lot of Olympic lifting, power lifts, gymnastics. It's a lot of quick movements, high pace, but it's fun.
But even at her top level of fitness, the fun started getting outweighed.
With my shoulder, I was just having a lot of pain in it when I was doing specifically like snatches and overhead squats.
It was time to stop pushing through the pain.
They told me that there was a free evaluation with the physical therapy team.
Carter's referring to the free injury assessments offered at Aurora BayCare Medical Center.
Did some in-person tests to look at my range of motion and pain management, and he was the one that recommended that I see Dr. Schock.
Dr. Harold Schock is an orthopedic surgeon at Aurora BayCare who had his work cut out for him.
I had some bone spurs in my shoulder, and then my labrum was torn, my rotator cuff, and then they also had to repair my bicep.
She had an arthroscopic procedure where we went in and kind of corrected her structural defects.
But Carter's journey didn't end there.
She was laid up for about a month or so after surgery. Then she got in with physical therapy, worked really hard.
As you can imagine, Carter's not one to stay down for long.
Did a good job kind of getting her life back, and then got back to CrossFit, and then a little while later was active enough to have some issues with her knee.
Back to Dr. Schock Carter went for another surgery and another recovery. Schock says Carter's strong work ethic had a lot to do with her positive outcome.
Her great attitude and motivation to get back to doing things like CrossFit.
Even with all the advances made in treating sports-related injuries, Dr. Schock says the goal should be prevention, so you can enjoy being active throughout your lifetime. To do that, he says, work on your core strength, keep your weight in check, and don't smoke. Carter's got that covered. Now, just a couple months after her last surgery, she's looking forward to her next competition.
I actually have a competition coming up in about a month here. That'll be my first competition since surgery and having a baby. So I'm pretty excited about that.
That competition is May 1st, and we'll be cheering her on and keep you posted on how she does. If you're interested in a free injury assessment or to learn more about Aurora BayCare's comprehensive recovery programs, you can call Aurora BayCare or email healthwatch@aurorabaycare.com. And that's your Health Watch. I'm Connie Fellman, Local 5 News.